In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a real estate website in Squarespace. First, open Squarespace and start a new website. From the dashboard, choose to create a site and let the setup wizard guide you. You'll be prompted to describe your project, which helps Squarespace suggest layouts. Don't worry about perfection at this stage. You can change anything later. The goal is simply to get into the editor with a fresh canvas ready to customize. Next, choose a template that fits a real estate business. Look for clean, image-forward designs with strong gallery sections, readable fonts, and simple navigation. A layout that highlights photos and quick facts will serve property pages well. Remember that colors, fonts, and section styles are all adjustable, so prioritize structure over aesthetics right now. Pick the template that makes listings look clear and compelling. Now add your key pages: home, listings, about, and contact. On the home page, introduce your brand with a hero image, a short value statement, and a quick path to view listings. The listings page will become your main hub for properties. On the about page, share your mission, experience, and service area to build trust. The contact page should make it effortless for visitors to reach you. Create listing sections with photos, property details, and inquiry options. Use image blocks or galleries to showcase each property with consistent, high-quality images. Under each photo set, include essential details like price, beds, baths, square footage, location, and a short description. Keep formatting uniform so visitors can scan quickly. Add a clear button such as inquire or schedule a viewing that links to your preferred contact method. Add contact forms or scheduling tools so leads can reach you. Use a built-in form block and keep fields focused: name, email, phone, and a message area. Set success messages and email notifications so you never miss a lead. If you offer appointments, add a scheduling block or link to your calendar tool, and make sure time zones and confirmations are clear. Review the site design and make sure the listings are easy to browse. Test your navigation from the header to the listings page and back. On mobile, check that text is readable, buttons are large enough, and gallery images load fast. Keep titles concise, group information logically, and ensure strong contrast for accessibility. When everything looks right, publish the real estate website, do a final proofread, submit a test inquiry, and then go live. Your site is ready to showcase properties and capture leads with a professional, user-friendly experience.